Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's look is another requested one. I recently got a request on my Facebook page to create a black eyeshadow look, and this is what I came up with, this beautiful gunmetal smoky eye look, and paired it with a beautiful nude lipstick. I think this look is perfect for all your black outfits. It can be sari, it can be salwar, it can be gown, it can be western, anything. And this is the final look you can see. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Neeta. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. It is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Milani brow pomade in the shade 05, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, and then I'll be filling them up using smaller strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. This is from their Morphe Jeffree Star collection. And if you guys want to watch an updated eyebrow routine, then please let me know. I'll be more than happy to make it for you, because I have made some changes in my eyebrow routine recently and I am loving it, literally. I'm taking this Milani concealer in the shade 135, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a party makeup, I always follow this step. It makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. You can see my brows are already looking so much sharp and defined. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from L'Oreal. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 light, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. Now for my eyes, first I'm taking Weekender from my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and it is a beautiful skin tone color. It is like one shade darker than my skin tone, and I'm just warming up my crease with this particular shade, and I'm slowly building up the pigmentation, because with this kind of lighter shades you need to build it up, otherwise it will be invisible. Now I'm taking Reef from the same palette. It is a beautiful warm toned brown color, and I'm just applying it on top of the previous shade that I just applied, and this is actually going to be my transition color. I'm going to be applying darker colors on my eyelids. For that I need a smooth transition. That's why I'm just layering up different shades. Now I'm taking Baza and Still Shot together, and I'm just applying it on top of the previous shade. I just wanted to stick to one palette, that's why I'm mixing those two shades together. You can always use a reddish brown color to create this look. Now mixing Jet and Drift together. Drift is a shimmery grayish gunmetal color, and Jet is more like a black matte. It's not fully matte, it's a matte black, you can say, and I wanted it to look more black than gray. That's why I'm mixing those two shades together, and I'm applying it all over on my eyelid, and I'm just defining my outer corner just a bit because I have hooded eyes, and this step makes a huge difference. I'm just blending out the edges to avoid any kind of harsh line, because it is a smoky eye, it is not at all cut crease. I'm taking Jet, which is the matte black shade, and I'm applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease, and I'm slowly building up the pigmentation. And you can see I am creating a very nice smoky look here. Only my inner corner is a bit defined. Other than that, it's a beautiful smoky eye, and this step may take a little bit of time, but you have to be patient. I'm taking a silver glitter eyeliner. You can take any silver glitter that you have, and I'm just applying it on top of the black shade. So with a brush, I'm just slowly, I'm not layering it up, I'm applying only one layer. If you add too much, then it may become crusty. So taking a little bit of the product on the back of my hand, I'm just applying it, and you can see the difference, right? Now I'm just drawing a wing using my Wet n Wild makeup liner in the shade black. I was not sure about the wing. I wanted to keep it really simple, but then I was like, you know what? A wing really amps up the look. So I'm just drawing a wing here. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, then I'll return to my eye makeup again. And for that, I am taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Serum, and I'm just applying it all over on my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. I shared with you a full in-depth review of this particular serum. I will mention it in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. It is a beautiful product. It hydrates your skin, provides your skin a little bit of glow because it has some kind of golden properties in it, and it just gives you a very nice tacky effect. Now I'm taking this PAC Pore Primer, and I'm just applying it on top of my pores because the primer serum is not a pore filling kind of primer. Though I do not have much pores, but I still have some teeny mini pores, so I'm just applying it on top of my pores. For color correcting, I'm taking this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade orange, and I'm just applying it wherever I have pigmentation and dark spots. And for me, I have pigmentation around my mouth, underneath my eyes, of course, and some little acne spots, and it will help to neutralize all those darkness, and my foundation, my concealer will not look gray in color. For my foundation, I'm going with this MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC35, and I'm just blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. Again, I do not have nothing new to say about this foundation. We all know it is a very long lasting, very full coverage, and it is kind of a classic foundation. We all love it, right? It is like one of my favorite. Look at the coverage. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same Milani concealer, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, and on the sides of my mouth. And again, I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This concealer, you guys, if you haven't tried it, you need to. This concealer is so good, but unfortunately it is not available outside of US, I believe, but they should release this concealer in India as well as in Bangladesh. This concealer is really good. I'm taking the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. The brush is from e.l.f. This is their highlighting brush. To set my entire makeup, I'm going with this Maybelline SuperStay Powder Foundation in the shade 312 Golden, and it is well loved. You can see it is my favorite again. And it also provides a little bit of coverage as well. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Liner in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or gel eyeliner that you have. Now from the palette, I'm taking Jet with an angled brush, and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and I'm making it as smoky as possible. It will give an illusion of bigger and wider eyes. With the same brush, I'm taking Baza, and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, which I will be using for my face later on. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Volume Express mascara. Love this stuff. And don't forget your lower lashes. I'm going to be using falsies off camera. And here is the final eye look. The falsies are kiss lashes in the style Gala. I'm going to finish my face. For that, I'm taking this Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline, as well as my nose. And yeah, you guys are right, it's out of focus. I don't know, I had a hard time with my camera today. My camera was not focusing. The focus is on my mirror right there and I did not even realize that. I'm really sorry for that. For my blush, I'm taking this Cover FX Blush Duo in the shade Warm Honey and I'm just mixing the shimmer shade and the matte shade together and I'm applying it on my cheeks. Such a stunning color and I'm obsessed with these blush duos. And I'm also applying the blush on my chin as well as on my nose. Now I'm taking the Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline and I'm just hitting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, apples of my cheeks, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose and the sides of my forehead. I'm just setting my entire makeup with my L'Oreal makeup setting spray and I am back on focus. Now I'm just lining my lips with this Milani lip liner in the shade 12. I don't know how to pronounce the name, it is so hard. I will mention it in the description but down below, so please do check that out. It is a beautiful like magenta pink kind of a shade. For my lipstick, I'm going with this Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Rum Punch. It's a beautiful dark nude shade. And that's pretty much it. And here is the final look. I truly love the way how it turned out. And you can see it's looking perfect with my black sari. And it is the same makeup on the same day. I truly love the way how it turned out. And guys, if you have any video request, then feel free to comment down below. As I mentioned earlier, this is a requested look. I just love doing requested looks because I feel connected to you guys. So feel free to comment down below your video requests. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.